Oh, dude. No, dude.
Dude, that's it right there.
Yes, dude. Success.
Okay, you guys said.
Here's our test subject. The first thing we need to do is figure out how we're gonna get the doors to come up. Since we're going for budget here, hinges on the top up here so that when you open the door, it just comes up going style. And then we need to figure out how we're gonna latch it shut.
I think we should use like a shut your shed. You put it like right here and then just.
We need to now go to Lowe's or Home Depot and start buying some door hinges.
Oh, there you go.
Which one should we go? Yeah, let's get, no, we'll get black so it like matches the car.
This is exactly what I was talking about right here.
We need the black one though, dude. Right there.
Everything we need right here.
Dude, budget supercar doors. Howdy. Get one of those hinges out. Let's mock this up.
So are we gonna be able to like, oh dude, that's gonna be.
No, that's perfect because
That's
it won't
perfect
come
right
in and
there.
smash the sunroof.
So it'll just.
It
go
just
back.
stops right there, right? Oh yeah. The hinge itself fits in there perfectly.
That's what she said.
And honestly, it blends in pretty well. Dude, this is it.
Feel that Lambo door, you pull it up. You know what I'm saying? You pull
It's
it up.
exotic, dude. Euro, man. So we're gonna make this a little bit easier on ourselves here, and we're gonna gut the door so that it doesn't weigh so much. We're just gonna get the door card off, take the window out so that it is easier to open. Going for the barbaric approach. Here, I'll hold the... Nice.
Torques.
Torques or just kick it
Torques
off?
bit, dude.
I say just kick it off. Pry bar it, pry bar.
Alex is weak.
He's calling you out, dude. Done.
Almost there. Sweet.
This is way lighter. Way lighter.
Oh,
Other
dude.
stuff we can take out.
Some foam.
So easy. There's just a bolt.
We're just getting this harness out of the way first so that it's not holding the door to the car. Now we get the door unbolted. There it is.
Dude, I think we're gonna have to cut.
No,
that.
Yeah, we might have to cut those off.
There, now it should slide right through.
This is the first mock up here. Get it on the car with no stock hinges. Make sure the door shuts too. Like click it into place.
There you go.
All right, so how much play? This is where that deadbolt's coming in handy right there, because that's where the play is.
You just put that like that.
That looks pretty perfect to me. All right, bust out the welder.
Where should we put it though? Like,
I say put it right on the
there.
flat zone.
So like right there.
That would be perfect.
Oh, this is terrible, dude.
Don't blame me on the well, you noob.
Oh my.
Harbor Freight, dude. Nah,
God.
just you're good.
Dude, Harbor Freight welder is dog shit.
Broke right off.
You broke it.
You're gonna have to roll the Miller out here. That's so funny, dude. This welder's absolute garbage. Old Harbor Freight welder was just not cutting it. We got the old Miller-Matic out here. Oh, dude, it's dialed. It's dialed. All right, now we need to get the other piece on.
No, let's do the hinges now.
So we gotta
Yep.
weld this then.
Yeah,
Should we put it right on the
We're gonna
edge
need
and
one
then put the
here
other
and
one-
yeah, like as far apart as they could possibly be.
Can we do it like back here though?
Yeah, do it as far back as it will allow.
It could be more perfect.
Final welds and we'll be able to test. This is it. Oh, dude. No, dude. Get it all the way up. Get it all the way up.
Dude, that's it right there.
All right, will she close?
Push it in, push
Yeah,
it in.
you're gonna have to line it up every time.
Wait.
Oh, we're gonna have to
Oh,
Oh no, that's it right there. You just gotta get. Hold on, do
push
it.
it down
Test
a little
it.
bit.
Test
Oh, no.
it.
They
Do
just
that one
close.
more time. Ready?
Open it up.
Yep.
Kind of slides off. You get
Yeah.
in, dude.
Oh no, dude. Yes, dude! Success! Success! Got it.
Boom.
That is for highway safety only.
Dude, it's heavy. It's still heavy, dude.
Dude, now it closes still though. So this is only when you're driving fast.
Oh, dude, I have an
You
idea.
gotta grab it.
What's your idea? What's your idea?
Let's get the trunk hinges, dude. Boom.
Let's try it out.
Hold it.
All right, open the trunk. Let's investigate.
Boom.
Right here. You're saying take these off.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, we could literally take the thing that it's attached to out and weld it. You have to just pop it out.
that.
Like that.
Yeah, something like that would probably work.
That's on there.
Yeah. Is it close?
Is that bending right now?
Yeah, that's definitely bending. Just f it, close it. I think we're good. Oh yeah, dude. All right, open it now.
Would it open? Would it hold it?
Yeah,
Are you ready?
I'm ready, dude. Oh, it broke. It's dead, just like Saab.
Dude, that
The
shit's
strut,
whack.
no, the strut does not work.
Junk.
We're gonna see if the door has like any turbulence when we're going down the road at speed. I'm gonna get it up to highway speed, so we'll see. I'm fully matted. Oh, that's boost.
Oh, dude, that's pretty.
It's got a decent amount of uphill torque. How's the door? Is it rattling? We're doing 60. We're doing 60 right now.
Like this a bar.
No wiggling? Wiggle it, see if there's any play.
Oh, dude, it's good.
The door is solid. The door is on there. All right, we just stopped at the Walmart. I got my fake eBay gangster outfit. We're about to hop out the Wraith right now. I got my grills. Oh, I gotta redo my grills.
Yeah, you're good. You got plenty of time.
We got 5 gum. My VVS is blue. Oh. Hey.
These are pretty good, dude.
Dude, yeah, that looks good.
Hey. What's good, dude?
That van out, dude. It's half a van.
I know, dude. That thing's pretty fucking sweet, though.
That's badass.
Hey, yo, what's good? Do it right in front of them.
Right here.
Ready? Door. Oh, the door. Oh, damn. There's hella people in there fucking laughing. All right, ready? I'm gonna get in. Hell yeah, bro! Nice. All right, guys, budget supercar doors was a really fun video to film. We might take that thing out to a car meet. Don't forget, we got our own line of vape juice, haggardvaping.com, link in the description. This is the bubble wrap tire. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna install this.
I say drop it super hard.
Just drop it down.
If it bounces.
Yeah! How much
Oh my
you
God.
just popped like this much just flat down. V2 looks a lot more legit. Definitely looks more like a tire. Let's go ahead, let's get this thing on there. Oh, don't pop it. Oh yeah, it's holding shape. You're good, dude. We made a full exhaust out of PVC pipe. Time period correct exhaust tip. Up.